Greetings. This is a demo for my bank application that I developed in my software engineering class as a project. As you can see, right now it says, "Oh, no internet." And the reason for that is because this is connected to a server, a bank app that is powered by Python. And currently the server is not running. If we press try again, nothing happens. It doesn't matter how many times we press this. Well, actually, I'm not sure. Maybe it'll work if we press it 10,000 times. But I'm not here for that. So let's go ahead and try running the server. And the server starts up, and we press try again, and the bank application works correctly. Let's go ahead and create a user. Actually, let's try to log in. Doesn't seem to work. Let's create a fake login. Doesn't seem to work. Okay, so let's create a customer account. Let's say our name is Nate. Our social security number is 888-88-8888. And our username is Nate the Great. Our email is nate@nathan.com. And our password is Nate Password. Our address is Nate House 1924. Let's see what happens. Oh, seems to work pretty well. Let's see if our information is correct. This is our name, Nate. This is our social security number. This is our username. This is our email. Our password is not shown for security reasons. And this is our address, which I probably shouldn't show, maybe for security reasons. But that is up for debate some other time. Let's see if we could change this information. Let's say today I don't feel like Nate, but rather I feel like Chris. Let's say I feel like Chris. And our email is not actually Nate@nathan.com, but Chris@Christopher.com. And our password is going to be Chris Password. And our address is going to be Chris House. Some numbers, maybe some extra numbers because I feel like it. And our old password was Nate Password. The changes applied successfully because everything was correct. Let's see what happens if I put in the wrong stuff. Let's say I just want to change one of these things. Say our name is not Chris, but actually our name is Caitlin. Name is Caitlin. And let's say let's put in a wrong password. Let's say wrong password with some numbers behind it. Submit changes. Old password is not correct, so nothing changes. But I want to be Caitlin. My name is Caitlin. So our old password is currently, our password right now is Nate Password. Is it Nate Password? No, it's not Nate Password, is it? It's going to be Chris Password. So Caitlin, Chris Password is going to be a password. Submit changes, and it works successfully. Okay, so our username is Nate the Great. Our password right now is Chris Password. And let's see. Let's view our balances. Oh, doesn't look like we're doing too hot financially. Let's see what our transaction history. Nothing's going on here. View our history. Nothing's going on here. Transfer funds. This is if I wish to transfer funds from one of my accounts to one of my other accounts, or perhaps to another user's accounts. If I wish to transfer it to another user, I would just need the username, the amount I want, and reason if I wish to input a reason. But for right now, we have no money, so let's not send anything. Let's go ahead and log out, and let's see if we can log back in. So our username was Nate the Great, and our password was Chris Password. Chris Password. Let's log in. Let's view, and it's correct. Everything works correctly. So let's see. Let's create a staff login now. Let's say our name is, for real this time, our name is actually Nate. Our name is actually Nate. Our social security number is 555-44-3333. And our username is Nate the Great. No, you know what? Nate the Great already exists. Let's see. Chris the Great. That doesn't make much sense. That's going to get quite confusing, isn't that? Let's say our name is Lily. Let's do Lily. And And our username is Lil Pasta. Why not? Let's make it Lil Pasta. Our email is going to be lilpasta@gmail.com. Our password is going to be, let's make our password with a 5 at the end of it. And let's make our address Texas, Kansas, Missouri. Yeah, sure. And our authorization code is going to be, well, in this case, I have to go look for it very quickly, but our authorization code is 454432. 454432. And this authorization code is due to change depending on the bank that wishes to use this application. So if you are a different bank, your authorization code could be different, but this is our authorization code in this case. So let's go ahead and create an account. Awesome. So it works correctly. Let's see if our information is correct. Lily is our social security number, our username, email, password, and so on. Let's go ahead and we also have an employee ID, which is 123456. Let's go ahead and change our name, not from Lily to, let's say, Shannon. Shanofer. Yeah, why not Shanofer? And our email is the right email. Our password, let's say our password is King Kong 55. And our address is going to be, our address is the same address. Let's go ahead and change it. Our current password is, what is our current password? Password with a 5 at the end of it, correct. Password 5. Submit changes. Everything changes correctly. Okay, that's awesome. Did I change the password? I think I changed the password. Yep, King Kong 55. All right, so let's go back. Let's see what staff controls we have. So this is our list of users that exist already. And this is our account from before that we just created. Nate the Great. Let's go ahead and let's send Nate the Great some money because we're friendly and generous. $1 million. Congrats. You are now a millionaire. Let's send them. Awesome. Now we sent Nate the Great some money. Let's go ahead and, you know what? Let's take some money out. Let's take $500. Congrats. You are no longer a millionaire. Awesome. So it works correctly. Let's go back. Let's sign out. Let's see if we can sign back into our Lily account. All right, so our username is going to be Lil Pasta, and our password is going to be King Kong 55. Awesome, it works correctly. This is our information, and we can sign out again. Let's go ahead and sign into our Nate the Great account, where our password is Chris Password. Log in. Okay, let's view our balances. Ooh, seems we have some money now. Wonder what we can get with that. Well, probably not much, considering this is fake money, but this is our transaction history. This happened at 2023, October 10th, 2023, at the 20th hour, on the 34th minute and the 38th second, which translates to, I believe, 8:34. Yeah, that's correct, 8:34. So we received $1 million. We're now a millionaire. Then $500 was removed, and our net gain is $999,500. Let's go ahead and transfer some funds. Now that we have some money here, let's be a responsible human being, and let's transfer a good amount to our savings account. $5. Reason? I feel like a responsible human being. Sent. Okay, awesome. And if we check, we've removed $5 from here, and $5 appeared in our savings account, and it appears as a transaction in our transaction history. So this is the banking application that I developed. Hope you found it functional. Yeah. Thank you for watching.